Studio microphone emoji. Imagine an AI that doesn't just respond to your voice, but feels your values, honors your traditions, and respects your culture. Africa emoji. Sparkles emoji. Welcome to Technova AI, where the future of tech isn't just smarter, it's more human. Today, we're unveiling the rise of culturally sensitive AI, and trust me, this could change how we connect with machines forever. Brain emoji. Part 1, Why Cultural Sensitivity in AI Matters. 021 to 130 AI has come a long way, from calculating numbers to holding conversations. But here's what's missing: cultural intelligence. In 2025, we're seeing a shift. People in India expect AI to greet elders respectfully. In Japan, politeness levels shape communication. In the Middle East, invoking religion in speech without consent can be deeply offensive. If AI doesn't understand local etiquette, it risks being seen as cold, tone-deaf, even offensive. This isn't about political correctness. It's about trust, adoption, and real emotional connection. Bar chart emoji. UX studies show small black square emoji. Eastern users see AI as a collaborator. Small black square emoji. Western users treat it as a tool of control. The result: a one-size-fits-all AI doesn't work anymore. America's emoji. Part 2, Real-world examples of inclusive AI design. 131 to 230. Let's zoom into some futuristic examples where AI gets culture right. Rocket emoji. KLM Airlines. Their chatbot changes tone based on your nationality. Formal for Germans, friendly for Americans. Brain emoji. Microsoft's OS. In China, it greets users with poetic flair. In Japan, it mimics indirect politeness. Graduation cap emoji. AI tutors. Language bots trained with culture-specific idioms now boost learning accuracy by over 85%. Performing arts emoji. Samsung neon avatars. They adapt facial expressions and speech for emotional realism that fits the user's background. These aren't just upgrades, they're blueprints for the future of culturally intelligent tech. Hammer and wrench emoji. Part 3, How to ethically design culturally sensitive AI. 231 to 330. Here's your playbook to build respectful and relatable AI. White tick mark emoji. Start with diverse datasets, including dialects, rituals, and non-Western values. White tick mark emoji. Build with global minds, UX experts, anthropologists, and legal pros. White tick mark emoji. Human in the loop audits, constantly test for unintended bias or cultural insensitivity. White tick mark emoji. Transparent consent. Let users control how AI uses cultural cues, for example, religious language or local customs. Sparkles emoji. Bonus: AI should never imitate empathy so well that it manipulates. Emotional realism must come with ethical limits. Jigsaw emoji. Part 4, Futuristic use cases you won't believe. 331 to 430. Light bulb emoji. Imagine this. Stethoscope emoji. A healthcare bot in Japan senses stress during Obon holidays and softly plays koto music to calm you. Graduation cap emoji. An AI teacher in Nigeria speaks fluent pidgin English, using local proverbs to explain complex ideas. Speech bubble emoji. A finance app in the Middle East knows when to avoid discussing debt directly, respecting taboos. These aren't far-off dreams, they're prototypes in motion. Culturally sensitive AI is empathy at scale. Balance scale emoji. Part 5, The Ethical Tightrope. 431 to 520. But here's the twist: with great empathy comes great responsibility. Thoughtful face emoji. What if users become emotionally dependent on AI? Thought bubble emoji. Should AI suggest spiritual practices during mood dips? Meridian globe emoji. Who decides what's appropriate across cultures? The ethical line is thin. AI must connect without controlling, respect without replacing human bonds. End arrow emoji, final thought plus CTA, 5:21 to 6 o'clock. We're not just building smarter tech. We're creating AI that knows when to speak softly, when to bow, and when to listen in silence. This is the next frontier of emotionally intelligent, culturally fluent AI. And it starts now? Speech bubble emoji, so let us ask you, would you trust an AI that lives by your values and traditions? Down pointing finger emoji, drop your thoughts in the comments. Thumbs up emoji, like this video if you believe AI must be ethical and inclusive. Bell emoji, subscribe to Technova AI for deep dives into the future of tech, culture, and consciousness. Film camera emoji, this is Technova AI, where intelligence meets empathy.